Welcome back to the channel, and let's go and check out the remains of Llantrisant Castle in South Wales. Hello everyone, welcome back to Drone Man Wales, and today we're taking you on a journey back in time to explore the intriguing history of Llantrisant Castle, a fortress filled with stories of rebellion, royalty and resilience. Our story begins in the small picturesque town of Llantrisant, nestled on a hill with sweeping views of the Ely Valley. Llantrisant's history stretches back centuries, with ancient traditions and folklore deeply embedded in the culture. And at the heart of this history is Llantrisant Castle, a fortress that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires and the turbulence of medieval Wales. Llantrisant Castle was built in the 13th century, around 1246, by the powerful Anglo-Norman lord Richard de Clare, also known as Strongbow. This fortress was strategically positioned on a hill to guard the surrounding valleys and secure the territory in Glamorgan. Like many Welsh castles of this time, Llantrisant was designed not only for defence, but also to exert Norman influence over the local Welsh population. Initially, the castle was constructed as a classic motte and bailey structure, with a wooden keep atop a mound or motte. However, as tensions grew and defences improved, this wooden structure was soon replaced with stone, making it a much stronger fortress. During its history, Llantrisant Castle was no stranger to conflict. In 1316, the castle played a role in the revolt led by Llywelyn Bryn, a noble of Welsh descent who resisted aggressive English rule in Glamorgan. The uprising was a pivotal moment, showing the fierce Welsh resistance against the Norman lords. Though the revolt was ultimately quelled, it left a significant mark on the area's history, symbolising the Welsh spirit of resilience. Llantrisant Castle also has royal connections. The Black Prince, Edward of Woodstock, once held the infamous prisoner Gruffydd ap Llywelyn within these walls. Gruffydd, a nobleman from Gwynedd, was an outspoken opponent of the English crown and was imprisoned here in 1346. His capture and imprisonment were meant as a warning to any Welsh subjects considering rebellion. This piece of history makes Llantrisant Castle a symbol of both Welsh resilience and English authority. Let's get the drone up and see what it looks like from above. And here's the old stocks from the courthouse. As the centuries passed, Llantrisant Castle slowly fell into disrepair. By the late 15th century, it was no longer used as a defensive structure and was gradually abandoned. Stones from the castle were often repurposed for building materials, contributing to its steady decline. Today, only fragments of its stone walls and towers remain, but they continue to stand as a testament to its storied past. Although it may be a ruin now, Llantrisant Castle remains a powerful symbol of Welsh history. Its walls whisper tales of medieval conflicts, royal intrigue, and the enduring spirit of Welsh people. Locals and tourists alike come to explore these ruins, captivated by the beauty of the landscape and the echoes of history in each stone. So the next time you're near Llantrisant, make sure to visit this historic site. Though only ruins remain, Llantrisant Castle tells the rich story of resilience, defiance, and Welsh identity. And that was it, Llantrisant Castle. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you all in the next one.